this video for those people who always think that we cannot beat a talented guy, or we cannot reach to the person who is already talented and doing extremely well. Guys, let me tell you, if you really think that you are a hard worker and still you are thinking that I cannot beat a talented guy, then you must watch this video. Well, first let's understand what is hard work. Hard work is kind of activity which we put towards something until its end result. And if you talk about talent is something which is inbuilt and which doesn't require that much of hard work to do to win something, to gain something in life. So this I'll tell you is a story about two friends named Thomas and Peter. They both were working with the same organization. They were very close friends. They always whenever they used to go out, they used to go out together for a break, for a trip, for everywhere. So one day they both applied for a next designation for a manager, and Thomas was pretty confident that he can do it because Thomas was a very talented guy. Entire organization, all colleagues, everyone, they was pretty sure that Thomas going to be the next manager in this company. And Thomas, because of Thomas, is a talented guy. In other side, Peter was quite below confident because he knew that Thomas is a big tough competitor and he'll be the next manager. But somehow Peter thought that I need to become a manager because I need it drastically. So what happened once the first assessment process started, Thomas and Peter, they both went for the assessment for the online test, and out of 100 Thomas scored 95 and Peter scored 75. So Thomas was full confident that he is going to be the next manager because he has scored higher. In other side, Peter, he thought while he has qualified for the first round, there is a hope, there is a chance to become a manager. So Peter started working very hard. Day night he was working, he was gaining knowledge, he was going through entire process completely. In other side, Thomas, he knows that he is going to be the manager because he is very talented and organization is aware that he will be the manager next. He was not putting any effort because he knew that talented he is already there, so he'll be the next manager. After all having this doubt in their mind and the confidence in their mind, what happened? There are 4 more assessments supposed to be conducted, and they been through 4 more assessments. After applying for all the assessment, things got completely changed. Entire colleague, organization, they got shocked that how became Peter the next manager. And finally Peter was the next manager, not Thomas. Thomas was quite disappointed. He was feeling too bad. Everyone was keep on asking him that he was a talented guy, then how come you were unable to become a manager? And later on Thomas realized and explained to everyone that becoming talented and doing nothing will not make you success in your life. If you are a talent or if you are not a talented guy, there is no second thought of hard working. So you need to keep on practicing to do hard work in all aspects to win whatever you want to win in your life. So remember, whenever you want to win something, you should not look at others or any talented guy that he is a talented and I cannot win this. Make sure you do your 100%, you keep on focusing on your work, you do better work, good hard work, and you would see if the person can earn anything in your life. So guys, now onwards, if you think still thinking that hard worker cannot win anything, you need to change your mind. You need to decide yourself that yes, hard worker can change everything and can win anything in their life if they work properly on anything. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you.